just give them a call sign. You click contact left or right side. They know which side they're on.
40, 20 feet left.
Copy.
Astern left.
Copy.
Contact left.
Copy, contact left. Backing out right side. Copy. Disconnect right. Copy.
Localize 41 feet at 9209, good for both the 50 and the normal for the service ceilings. 3 in your service is 18, 2 in your service continue or reject the takeoff. Anything after refusal and rotate. We'll treat like an airborne emergency, not like an economy thrust producing.
Copy.
Let's go combat entry checklist, please.
Combat entries.
Yeah, they can, you can go ahead and pull them in now, Gino. We're about to take this turn on the mic.
Oh, yes. Coming close.
We're good. APUs. Right hose go. Right down left.
I'll learn the loadies, I'll learn the calls for the right side.
7-7.
Don't worry about just give them a call sign. You click contact left or right side. They know which side they're on.
40, 20 feet left.
Copy.
Astern left.
Copy.
Contact left.
Copy, contact left.
Disconnect left side.
Copy.
That's right.
Alright, I cut him off at 2800. How much more does he need, I wonder?
Yeah.
Still hanging out there. Backing out right side. Copy. Disconnect right. Copy.